Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Virgos, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here first, guys. Virgos, we have Prophetess of Moons in reverse, the Moon, and Eight of Moon in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Virgos, in your circumstance today, maybe for some of you, you have your intuition guiding you in certain things. Maybe when you're making some important decision, you have some kind of an intuitive nudge, something telling you what is going to be your choice. And you have great dreams, and you may be seeing signs in your dreams, or you may be seeing signs physically, maybe some kind of signs in your situation telling you what you need to do today, guys, maybe pointing you towards the right direction. And maybe for some of you, if you listen to this intuition, you are going to succeed in your situation, guys. You are going to make the right choices for you, and there will be no mistakes in your situation, guys. Virgos, and I also see that for some of you, there are people telling you or suggesting you, guys, otherwise. So they are telling you something, forcing you into some choices or forcing you into some decisions. You need to be really careful, guys, because this person is not speaking the truth and they do not have truthful intentions towards you. So they are here to push you into some wrong decision. So in your heart of hearts, you will know whether it is right or wrong, because you have your intuition telling you the right things today, guys. So you should not listen to the wrong advice or wrong suggestions people are giving you. Maybe someone is talking against this person you love, but in your heart of hearts, you will know very well that they are not speaking the truth. So you need to listen to your intuition, guys, if that is the case for you, guys, Virgos. And I also see for some of you, you are maybe healing from your situation, maybe all that has happened in your past, maybe some hurt, worries, or whatever it is, whatever pain that you faced, you are healing from all that. And maybe some difficulties may in your relationship, maybe you were in some kind of a separation, maybe someone or you yourself, you believe some gossips or something and you were in separation with this person. Today you are going to get back with them. So you are apologizing to this person, or they are apologizing to you, and you both are back together, guys, Virgos. So things are moving in a very positive way, guys. So you have overcome all your difficulties today, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Justice in reverse. So in your relationship, guys, with this person, maybe you feel that, or maybe you moved out of this relationship because certain things was you cannot just take it anymore. You felt that you cannot tolerate it anymore. That was the reason for you moving away from this person. But today they are saying sorry, and they are coming towards you, they are approaching you. Or maybe for some of you, this situation, the reason for this difficulty may be your own making. Maybe you did not trust them. They are someone, they are good, but you believe some gossips and you were the reason for some troubles. But today you understand your mistake, and you are maybe willing to let go of all that past hurt or whatever you have done to this person, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Alchemist of Spheres. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you are a very creative person, guys, and today you are going to see some great changes, transformation in your career situation. So there are positive changes happening in your career situation also, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all, and the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now. And you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.